The Yamaha FZ25 for 2025 has been unveiled as part of Yamaha's latest lineup, retaining its familiar features while introducing a fresh set of updates. This model, well known for its reliability, now comes with refined styling and technological upgrades designed to enhance both performance and user experience. Visually, the 2025 Yamaha FZ25 sports redesigned fairings and a modified headlight structure, giving it a sharper look. It also has new side fins attached to the fuel tank, which add a more dynamic feel. One major addition is the Y-Connect app compatibility, a feature seen in other Yamaha models in the 2025 lineup. With Y-Connect, users can track their motorcycle's performance, check maintenance alerts, and access a range of other helpful features. This connectivity ensures that riders are always updated about the condition and needs of their bike. The dashboard has also undergone a significant update, adopting the larger and more legible panel from the Yamaha Lander 250. This new dashboard is 59% larger than its predecessor and has a dark background, making it easier to view information while riding. The improved screen layout is designed to help riders quickly access essential data, enhancing safety and convenience. A major advancement in lighting technology is the adoption of full LED lighting for the 2025 FZ25. This change marks the end of halogen indicators, with LED lights now standard for improved visibility and style. Additionally, Yamaha has introduced a 12V socket in the new FZ25, allowing riders to charge their mobile devices on the go. Under the hood, the FZ25 maintains its 250 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, the same as the one found in the Yamaha Lander. This engine is now exclusively powered by gasoline, with adjustments to meet Promot 5 emission standards. It produces 21.3 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 2.1 Nm of torque at 6,000 RPM. The 5-speed manual transmission remains unchanged, as do the suspension and braking systems, with disc brakes and ABS on both wheels ensuring steady control and reliable stopping power. Scheduled to hit Yamaha stores in November, the FZ25 comes with a suggested retail price of $4,133, excluding delivery fees. Customers can choose from 4 color options: crystal white, metallic white with gold wheels, racing blue, metallic blue with matching blue wheels, magma red, metallic red with black wheels, and titanium gray, matte gray with black wheels. Each color variant offers a unique aesthetic, allowing riders to choose the style that best matches their personality.